Hi everyone! Welcome to Tokyo Kitchen Japanese cooking class. I'm Yoshimi. Today, I'm going to show you how to make レンコンとベーコンのピリ辛炒め。It's lotus root and bacon stir fry. Very easy dish using very simple ingredients. But the bacon adds so much umami to the dish and it makes it so good. At the end of the video, I will show you how I built a menu with this レンコンとベーコンのピリ辛炒め. So stay with me till the end. Okay, let's get started. These are what you need to make 4 servings. Lotus root. It's about 500 grams. 2 to 3 slices of cured bacon. Some salt. 1 teaspoon of garlic paste. 1 tablespoon of butter. And black pepper. As always, let's finish all the cutting first. So lotus root. Peel the skin. Slice the end off too because it's dried. Cut into 4 long way. Then into thin slices. And bacon into slices too. Heat up frying pan over medium-high heat and let's cook the bacon first. No oil needed. Fat will come out from the bacon. Let's add lotus root. Keep cooking for a minute or so. Now the fat of bacon is circulated all over the lotus root. Let's add 3 tablespoons of water. Cover with the lid and steam cook it for 2 to 3 minutes. I cooked it for 2 minutes. Let's keep cooking to cook off all the remaining water. Okay, no water left. And I start to see a nice burn here and there. So let's add the seasonings. Butter, garlic paste, and some salt to your taste. Once the butter is melted, turn the heat off. And let's add plenty of black pepper. Give it a mix. And it's done. Let's serve in the bowl here. And レンコンとベーコンのピリ辛炒め is ready to go. Time for the tasting. Iただきます。Bacon, butter, and garlic. It can't be bad. And the lotus root, it's starchy like potato, but it still has the texture and it's so good. This is how standard Japanese combo style meal looks. Rice, soup, main, 1 or 2 side dishes. レンコンとベーコンのピリ辛炒め is a side, so it goes here, and some sort of pickles, either store-bought or homemade for the other one. Anything you like for the other dishes. But how about plain rice here, きのこのお味噌汁 here, and うま塩唐揚げ for the main. I hope you enjoy the meal. That's all for today. Thank you so much for watching. More videos coming up, so don't forget to subscribe and turn the notification bell on so that you don't miss anything.